Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Alexia. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a high waist short. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos. Okay, let's get started. First, cut out front and back, as well as pockets. Holding the darts in half and sew. Make sure do a couple of knots at the bottom of darts and trim the excess. The difficult part in this video is the fly zipper sewing. First, sew the shell wrong side out, and then turn it into the right side, overlocking the long edge. Stitch fly as instructed. Place short right side together and stitch center from crotch seam. Put the zipper on and sew the left long edge. Don't forget to change the zipper foot. Now turn the pants over and sewing right along here. Last but not least, stitch the bottom of the fly on the front to secure it. Stitching the back together, and then we are ready to sew pockets. Next, attach the waistband. Do the straight stitch all the way around. Along the bottom edge, fold up fabric about ½ inch and sew. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe. See you next time. Bye.